Lemonade is a community food model for over 60s living in Bermondsey. Today we are going to have a fun, interactive, intergenerational activity. We have Barbara, who is a creative artist. She's joining us and we are making food collages. The theme is, what does healthy eating mean to you? We will have our school children come in and they'll work together with our older people to create collages around what eating well means to them.
Today we're going to focus on collages, so that means mainly working with paper. So everybody on their table, you should have some food magazines, and we're going to use plates as our templates. And then the idea of it is that we're going to think about what food means to us, especially in terms of healthy eating.
It's been fantastic, really good. The kids are lovely. They're all well-mannered and polite, and they don't mind, you know, when you say to something, no, we'll put that one there, then that's for your protein. And it's been great to pass on a little bit of knowledge, what I've got. And they seem to take it all on board, so that's good.
Actually, I came down here not to stay because I've not been well, and I was just chatting to the kids and they just made me feel so much better. It was really, they're just such fun to be with, yeah. I love kids, yeah, they're great. The first collage we did is all healthy with chicken, rice, loads of green vegetables. Our second collage is where we've went really a bit more artistic. We made some chilies out of crepe paper and we've got chips out of cardboard. Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah, I've enjoyed it. It keeps me engaged, keep the kids engaged and get your creativity going and all of that. It's beneficial to both younger and older people.
The lady that I was working with was really nice. She helped me get all of the things that I needed to do my craft, and she helped me put things together.
I was working with Dawn today and I really enjoyed it because of how polite she was.
Well done.
And they taught us that you should always choose healthy because it's always better than the sweets and the type of crisps.
I met lots of people and it was really fun. I learned that having vegetables and greens is very good for you and your health.
I think it's good for the community, and I think children keep older people young. They can connect.
Yeah, it's a good thing, and it could be good therapy. Get your mind to be on something else other than life problems and other things. I think it could break down the generation gap anyway.
I think we should have these kind of things within the community with the children and teenagers, and it helps break down barriers between all of us, you know, their conception of us and our conception of them, you know, and it's fun.
It'll make me think about my food choices that I want to eat. It'll make me choose more healthy food so that I'm more healthy.
More sugar in your tummy, a bit too bad.